And hello, you guys. This is Hoover Boy's commentator, and today I'm bringing you a versus battle, and it is
the Hoover Turbo Power Plus
versus
the Dyson DC24 Animal.
So who do you think will win? Put your votes down below. Now let's start this video.
So here we have the Hoover Total System, and it's a bagged model. The bag's in here. And the Dyson, they've always used it as bagless, which is alright if you like it. So we've got some Cheerios or scooters, whatever you want to call it, and some dust. I don't think you can see the dust.
And lots of it.
So here we have the Hoover. I'm just going to set it to its ordinary height. So yeah.
What is its ordinary height?
For this carpet, we're going to use it in the middle.
So number 4 lines.
So number 4. So let's go. And we're going to have it on low because the Dyson, I don't know. Ooh, switch on.
Nothing's even going on. And let's go.
So let's go. And we're going to do 2 passes and see how good it picked up.
Oh, yes.
Let's go.
Perfectly. You see how he sucks that up? That is so cool.
As you see,
tastes like dust.
It's left these because it's just pushed it around. And I think we might have the same thing with the Dyson, because the thing is, they just push them around. And if you see my Kirby videos, the Kirby, because it's got a height adjustment, and this it's just going to sit on the floor, it can easily pick up these Cheerios. So, let's move on to the Dyson.
Oh, yes.
And I like this vacuum cleaner because the, not Dyson, and the Hoover, because it has called rewind. So let's put that there. Let's move this here. And let's go. So the Dyson is lightweight. It's pretty simple.
That's the best feature about it, kids. It's lightweight.
So your kids can use it.
No, they can't.
But if you just want to quickly hoover, the cord is not very long. The Dyson DC24, because Dyson, they need to redo their vacuums. But the DC41 is, I think it's better, but it's not. So let's go. So the bin is completely empty. So yeah, might be a bit dusty, but I don't really bother. But let's have a look and see if it picks up. Remember, 2 passes.
This one here is from the Turbo Power Plus, free. So let's see what one's better.
Next. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, that doesn't do it right. See how many?
Does it better?
No, it doesn't.
I didn't vacuum over this bit. I just did 1 pass right in the middle.
I think you should just vacuum all of it now.
Right, so now we're just gonna go over the Dyson. Dyson's better, remember the Hoover Turbo Power is older than the Dyson. So let's go.
dropping a like in the description below, and even subscribe to Hoover Boys channel for more reviews and other crap. Now over to you, Jake.
Right,
Hoover Boy.
As you saw, the Dyson was a bit better. So we will do some more videos on the Dyson DC24.
And other Hoover thingy-mabobbies, whatever they are. And I don't really give a crap.
The hose is just broke.
Yeah, because he broke it.
No.
Are you sure?
So this is the one thing I don't like about Dyson. They need to change their
It's terrible.
on the vacuum cleaner because it's not working out for me. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.
I just said that.
Blah. And do comments if you do have a Dyson.
He would do anything to that Dyson to make you happy.
So hope you had a great video. Bye.